In this video, we are going to discuss about the intraday stocks for 23rd September 2021, and the day is Thursday, which is also the weekly expiry of all indices weekly contracts of options. Nifty is well ranged between a wide range of 17,250 on the downside and 17,800 on the upside. Now this is a wide range with upside capped, and now the range can shift a little downwards on the upside. Now looking at 1 hour chart, it seems that the top has been made and the bottom is also far, so it's a lower high formation, and 17,650 is going to act as a strong resistance, and on the downside 17,300 is going to act as a good support. Now looking at 15-minute chart, you can see at the lower time frame, now this is the high that will be defended and is getting defended, so 17,620 is the resistance that Nifty needs to break, and if it opens flat, then chances are it will come down. Supports are at lower level, so 17,520, 17,480, 17,440, all these levels are going to act as support from where buyer will come. On the upside, 17,700 is going to act as support, but below this 17,620 is going to act as resistance. Now if 17,520 is broken, then 17,440 level can come tomorrow. Now huge OI is seen to build on the call side than the put side, so more call are written aggressively at 17,600 and beyond and above calls, but puts are not that much. Now looking at Bank Nifty chart, you can see it is very volatile. The top is made and now it is trading, or it has taken support from this zone. This is a buying zone from where Bank Nifty bounced yesterday, and today it made a lower candle, and 7,800 is going to act as strong resistance, and 36,400 is going to act as a strong support. Now looking at 1 hour chart, you can see that from this top, you can see that it's a lower high lower low formation, and Bank Nifty will be bearish below this low, which is 36,550, near 36,550, which is a little far from here, and 37,500 is going to act as strong resistance, and 37,400 is also going to act as resistance. Now tomorrow you can see there is a trend line that is being formed. If it goes above and sustains, then we can see the upper levels of 37,400 and beyond that 37,700, and if this low is broken, then we can look for 36,500 level immediately. Now huge open interest is seen to be built on 37,000 call option and higher that. So 37,000 call option and call option beyond that is more written aggressively, more than the put. So 37,000 is going to act as a very strong resistance tomorrow. So let's come to the stocks now. The first stock is TVS Motors. You can see there is a trend line is being formed, but you can see it's trading in a channel. Now if this high is crossed, then this channel high can be reached, so we can go long, we can buy above 542, keeping a 2-point stop loss. We don't need much stop loss in this stock, and 1:2 could be the target on the upside. The next stock is UPL. Now you can see that this is a resistance and a rounding bottom formation is being formed, and if this high is crossed, then we can buy above 727 with stop loss of 3 points. We don't need much stop loss, and 1:2 could be the target on the higher side, and this could be the target. 736 level can come. The next stock is ICICI Bank. As you can see, a lower high, lower low formation, or as an M pattern is being formed. Now it's resting at the neckline, and if this neckline is broken, then we can go short below 702 with stop loss of 3 to 4 points, and we can expect 1:2 target on the downside. And the next stock is Dabur. Now you can see, if you draw a trend line from here, then it has been broken and tested. Now if this low is broken on the downside, then you can expect a fall below 647, and you can keep a stop loss of 3 to 5 points, and 1:2 could be the target on the downside. Today is an event in the US, so the market is going to be volatile tomorrow, and US Fed meeting is there tomorrow. So there is US Fed meeting tomorrow, and the outcome will definitely impact our market, so we can trade accordingly. And in the days of events, technicals sometimes don't work. So I hope this video helped. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.